Hey, lovely people of the YouTube highways and byways, how are you? Did a video the other day on how to make this netting to keep your vegetables, whatever you're growing, pest free while it's outside. But I brought this in and it is time to harvest this because it's busting out. Now I did that video just a couple days ago, but I planted the Bibb lettuce in that this container maybe 2 weeks ago, 2+ weeks ago. And this is what I have. So I just wanted to show you my harvest. I'm so excited. It is busting loose. So I stuck it down with these little pins, you know, these styrofoam pins to hold it on so that the wind doesn't blow it away. Blow the top off. And so I'll just pull these out. This is the first time. It's the first time. This is exciting. You can grow this in the house. You can do this in your home, but you can do it outside as well. And you'll have, you know, lettuce to keep picking off of. So I'm going to go down in the bottom and take off the leaves that aren't good, like that. Which I probably should have done because they're taking up energy right on the growth of this Bibb lettuce. But it didn't take up too much energy because this thing is taken off. So, I think I leave the top ones right for it to keep growing, and I take the bottom ones off. I think that's how it works. I'm still a newbie, y'all. I don't know everything. I do not. I think I take the bottom leaves off. Do I need scissors, or do I just pop them off? I'm popping them off. Look at these. Oh, my goodness. We're going to have a great salad. A great salad this evening. Chop up some bell pepper. I got some tomatoes and some cucumbers in there. Oh, this is so fun. I get to harvest something. Oh, because, you know, like I say in all my videos here up and coming that, you know, zone 6A, we can't put outside yet. 40-some degrees right now. 42, something like that. No, it might be 50. It might be 50 right now. No, that one don't look too good. But it's going to drop down to the high 30s this evening. So I've got things in the greenhouse, and I hope they're fine because I hope they're fine. I hope they survive. If not, then I'll just have to start over. But I hope not. I'm praying that all is well. Now, that's not good, right? No, I don't think I want to eat that one. I'm just going to... And then these can continue to grow. I'll put that lid back on and water it good. And I'm leaving it in the house for now. And I think you don't even have to, if you have it in the house, you know, if you have the right soil, you don't have to worry about fungus gnats either, if you put that netting on there. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. This is the first time I've done this, and it's working excellent so far. But look at all this lettuce that I'm getting. Off of I got 3 stalks in here. Take it down to the almost bare minimum. I'm guessing that's what you do. Leave some leaves on here in the middle so it can continue to grow. Let's see if I wrote the date that I put these on here. In here. April 11th is when I planted these and did this net tool covering that I got from Robbie and Gary. Okay, how much do I take off? How far do I strip her down? I'm going to take one more from here. And this one is pretty closed up. I'll take that bottom one off. Okay, I'm going to leave her like that, I guess. Or do I take more off? Do I take more off? I'm not. I'm going to put this back on. And stick it down with these foam picks. And do I set her outside, or is it too cold for her? Is it too cold to set her outside? Or shall I leave her in here? Stick that into this. This was a pool noodle that I cut down and put around here so that I had something to stick these into to hold this on here. So the wind doesn't catch it and take it away. One more. And you know, this can be used over and over and over. And I can even plant something else in here and let it grow and keep this netting on there. So there you have it with that. But look at the harvest. I got a harvest. How about that? Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Have a wonderful, 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 wonderful rest of your day. Thank you. Compost, right? Yes, 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 yes. I'm out. Later, Gators. I'm just going to rinse this off and have me a salad later on. Yes. Green gold, right? Oh, yummy. Okay, I'm babbling. I dropped that piece. No, did I drop one? Okay. I'm excited. This off. I just want to taste it in front of you. I just want to taste it. Let's see. Crispy. Very good.